Sending money to Canada through Western Union. In today's video, you are going to learn how to send money to Canada through Western Union. So let's get started. First, go to the Google web browser and search for Western Union. In the results section, you will be able to find the link, click on that link, and now you will be on their website. In the website of the upper corner shows an icon of logging in. From here, you can log into your account, and if you do not have one, create one by registering. Now, I will quickly log into my account by entering my email and password. After logging into my account, it will ask me where I want to transfer my money. From the results section, I will search for Canada, and then the Canada will appear in the search bar. I will select this option, and then I will enter the amount I want to transfer. After that, it will ask me either I want to send money by cash or bank account. I will choose the option, and after choosing the option, for example, I'm choosing the bank account option, it will ask me how would you like to pay. Then I will choose Western Union as my payment method. After that, you will be able to transfer money from Canada through Western Union. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.